I've got trouble with front brakes. There. Finding. Right. Okay. Gonna force the pistons out using this little foot pump here. But I don't want the pistons to come out willy-nilly. I don't want, say, one to come out all the way and the rest to be stuck in, because then I won't be able to build up any pressure. So I've got this device here which cunningly fits in here, and it's going to limit the amount of distance the pistons can come out. So let's give that a go and see if it happens as nicely as it did with the last lot. So can I get you around here to have a look? Can you? What's happening there? What's happening? Not a lot at the moment. Oh look! Oh, there they go. Do you see them moving? Oh, there we go. So I've got one rogue one in the corner up there. That's probably the little the little blighter that's getting stuck, isn't it? Come on out. Oh, there she goes. Did you see that move? Oh, that one's undone. Lovely. So it's always a bit worrying, isn't it? Is that screw going to come undone? Oh yes, that's lovely. 3 of 4. Oh yes, that's beautiful. Last one. Is this one going to be as cooperative? Oh yes, lovely. Got a pair of mole grips here, which I've put some masking tape on the tip here. I know these are old pistons because they're going to be replaced, but I just don't like subjecting them to force that's going to damage them. So hence, oh look there, oh look at that. Oh, that's fantastic, isn't it? The next job is to pick out the old seals. There's 2 sets in each, and interestingly enough, on this first narrower seal, it looks to me like there's a little it's like got a double ridge to the edge. So when I install the new ones, I'll have to watch out for that. The thicker seal that's underneath that just looks like it's symmetrical backwards to front. Ooh. There you go. I'm using white spirit here to clean off the excessive loose dirt, and I know it always says use brake cleaner, but in a minute this is going to go into an ultrasonic cleaner and be cleaned, and that's going to be a mixture of water and washing up liquid. Okay. Eventually I will make sure it's thoroughly dried with compressed air, and I shall use brake cleaner to wash all the bits before I assemble them. Right, little bit of grease on the large inner seal. There we go. Little bit of grease on the small outer seal. Okay. Little bit of grease on the bore. of grease on the piston. Okay, now what you have to do, I've discovered, is you've just got to plop this in here and you've got to like twizzle it about a little bit so it's sitting nice and square. Oh, that's it. Once it's in going. Oh, look at that. That's absolutely fantastic. Right, going to assemble the two halves now. Got this little O-ring that makes a seal there. Make sure there's no cack on that. That goes on like that. With these bolts in here like this. It's Boxing Day 2016. I've got the calipers back on the vehicle. I'm just checking the bolts that I did up the other day to make sure I haven't missed one. I've got my little bleeding device set when I squeeze the lever. Oh yeah, it's working. It's definitely working. Definitely some bubbles coming out there.
My place of rest. When your heart is broken down, and your head don't reach the sky. Overcome was the first one that I started working on. It felt like
Clean down with the old brake cleaner. Get any residue of brake fluid off of there.
I'm very well, how are you? So Bobby Gentry, I mean, he is the music nerd, like, let's be honest about it,
Anything for the weekend, sir? Except this bike is a female.
I mean, huge success, and then it disappeared, a rarity.
The brake lever is still a bit spongy, and spongy as well as splungy. We've got a little bleed nipple down here. I'll have a go at bleeding that, see if that remedies the problem. The wheel does turn over a lot more freely now. There is a little bit of sort of residual friction there, but not as bad as it was.